सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल सर्वेटेक को। और आज फिर एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम या एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड की कड़ी में देखें MCQs ऑन एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम फॉर नीट एंड अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन। जैसा कि पूर्व के सभी MCQ टाइप क्वेश्चंस ऑन एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम में मैंने डिफरेंट MCQ टाइप क्वेश्चन का आपको अभ्यास कराया, साथ ही साथ क्वेश्चंस के सटीक आंसर या ऑप्शन का एक्सप्लेनेशन भी दिया। इसी कड़ी में आज के यह वीडियो, जो कि हमारा अंतिम वीडियो है एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स के लिए, मैं प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूं। और आशा करता हूं ये सभी वीडियो और हमारे दिए गए सभी ग्रंथियों के बारे में जानकारी आपके परीक्षा में और आपकी जानकारी के लिए बेहद ही लाभकारी साबित होंगे। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के वीडियो को, जिसमें MCQ टाइप क्वेश्चंस का यह पहला क्वेश्चन है। एडरेनल कॉर्टेक्स प्रोड्यूसेस, यहाँ पर ऑप्शन नंबर सी करेक्ट आंसर है एल्डोस्टेरोन। जैसा कि हम लोग जानते हैं कि एडरेनल कॉर्टेक्स के 3 भाग होते हैं, जोना ग्लोमेरुलोसा, जोना फैसिकुलाटा और जोना रेटिकुलरिस। और इन तीनों जोन्स से या रीजन से या पार्ट से एंजाइम्स हार्मोन्स स्रावित होते हैं, और यह हार्मोन्स हमारे शरीर के लिए काफ़ी आवश्यक होते हैं, इम्पॉर्टेंट होते हैं। तो एड्रेनल कॉर्टेक्स प्रोड्यूसेस, यहाँ पर एल्डोस्टेरोन राइट आंसर हो जाएगा। सो यहाँ पर ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट आंसर फॉर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, डैट एड्रेनल कॉर्टेक्स प्रोड्यूसेस एल्डोस्टेरोन। जहाँ तक एड्रेनलिन की बात है तो यह एड्रेनल मेडुला भाग से स्रावित होता है, और एड्रेनलिन को ही इपिनेफ्रिन के नाम से जाना जाता है, जबकि कैल्सिटोनिन हार्मोन थायरोकैल्सिटोनिन थायरॉयड ग्रंथि से स्रावित होने वाला हार्मोन है। Now the next question number 2, glucagon is produced by. Here option number C is correct answer, that is the alpha cells, which is one of the constituent of the islets of Langerhans, which is the endocrine part of the pancreas। और जैसा कि मैंने बताया कि पेनक्रियाज में 4 तरह के डिफरेंट सेल्स होते हैं इसके आइसोलेट ऑफ लंजरहंस में, जिसमें अल्फ़ा, बीटा, गामा और डेल्टा सेल्स होते हैं। अल्फ़ा सेल से ग्लूकागोन, बीटा सेल से इंसुलिन, और इसी प्रकार सोमेटोस्टेटिन हार्मोन का भी स्रावन होता है। तो याद रखेंगे, हियर द ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट आंसर फॉर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, ग्लूकागोन इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय अल्फा सेल्स ऑफ द आइसोलेट्स ऑफ लंजरहंस ऑफ द एंडोक्राइन पार्ट ऑफ द पेनक्रियाज। Now the question number 3, which endocrine gland is responsible for regulating metabolism and energy production in the body? The thyroid gland is responsible for regulating metabolism and energy production in the body। जैसा कि मैंने बताया, थायराइड ग्लैंड जो कि हमारे गर्दन के भाग में स्थित होता है, इसके हार्मोन्स थायरोक्सिन, यह हमारे शरीर में मेटाबॉलिज्म और एनर्जी प्रोडक्शन से संबंधित है। जबकि दूसरा ऑप्शन एड्रेनल ग्लैंड, पेनक्रियाज और पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड, ये दूसरे प्रकार के हार्मोन स्रावित करते हैं। और जबकि रेगुलेशन का सवाल होता है तो मेटाबॉलिज्म का रेगुलेशन कौन करता है, तो यह थायराइड ग्लैंड करता है। नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, द हार्मोन दैट सप्रेसेस द इम्यून सिस्टम इज द थाइमोसिन, व्हिच इज सिक्रेटेड फ्रॉम द थाइमस ग्लैंड ऑफ आवर बॉडी। Now the question number 5, ovulation in humans is controlled by ovulation. Ovulation means the release of the egg from the Graafian follicle. Now here the answer option number D, that is the SH and LH, that is the follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone, 2 types of hormones which are known as gonadotrophic hormone secreted from the adenohypophysis of pituitary gland, controlled the ovulation in ovary, that is the release of egg from the Graafian follicles in the ovary, which is the female gonad। Now, the question number 6, hormone produced in allergic reaction. Here, the option number A, glucocorticoids is a hormone which is helpful in allergic reaction. Now, the question number 7, hormones involved in the carbohydrate metabolism are. Here, and the four option, that is the A, B, C and D, different type of hormones has been given in group. We shall have to choose one answer, one group of hormones from the options given A, B, C, D. Here, the option number B is correct option for the question number 7. Insulin, glucagon, epinephrine and glucocorticoids are hormones involved in the carbohydrate metabolism. Now, question number 8, zona glomerulosa of adrenal cortex is involved in. Here, the question number 8 will have a answer that the option number A is correct answer. The hormones of the zona glomerulosa involved in the water and electrolyte balance. Now, the question number 9, hormones of adrenal cortex are synthesized from. Hormones of adrenal cortex are synthesized from. Here, the option number C is correct answer for this question. Question number 9, cholesterol. Now, the question number 10, hypoglycemic hormone is. Hypoglycemic hormone, the hormone which lowers the level of glucose in the blood. This hormone is option number A, insulin. Insulin is a hormone secreted by the beta cells of the pancreas. Is hypoglycemic in function that it reduces the glucose level in the blood and promotes the formation of glucose into glycogen, conversion of glucose into glycogen in the liver. Now, the question number 11, which is an anti-aging hormone? Here, the option number B, that is the melatonin hormone, is an anti-aging hormone. Now, the melatonin hormone is secreted from the pineal gland. Now, the question number 12, brain scent is associated with. Here, the option number A, brain scent is associated with the pineal body. Now, the question number 13, steroids are precursors of. All of the above. Steroids are the precursors of the progesterone hormone. This is the female hormone. Estrogen hormone, this is also the female hormone. Testosterone hormone, this is the male hormone secreted from the testes. And above two hormones, that is the progesterone and estrogen, is secreted from the ovary, that is the female gonad of the females. Now, the question number 14, which gland secretes fight and flight hormone? This is the adrenal gland which secretes fight and flight hormone, which is adrenaline, which is secreted from the adrenal medulla part of the adrenal gland. Now, the question number 15, which one is correctly matched? Here, the question number 15 has an option, that is the parathyroid hormone is related with the tetany, is correctly matched. Now, the question number 16, source of somatostatin is the same as that of. यहाँ किस हार्मोन का किस दूसरे हार्मोन से रिलेशन है यह दिखाया गया है फ्रेंड्स. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 का ऑप्शन नंबर ए करेक्ट आंसर है. इंसुलिन एंड ग्लूकागोन, दीज आर टू हार्मोन्स which functions is similar to somatostatin. Now, the question number 17, in females the hormone inhibin is secreted by. The question number 17 will have the answer, that is the option number B, that is granulosa cells. Inhibin, the hormone inhibins secreted by ovary from the granulosa cells. Now, question number 18, hormone responsible for the metamorphosis in tadpole. This is the thyroxine hormone which is responsible for metamorphosis in the tadpole. Metamorphosis means kayantaran. Now, it is the process for indirect development in which larva became transformed into adult by losing some characters, that is. Now, the question number 19. Low levels of progesterone and estrogen in blood stimulate. Here the 19. Question number 19 has an option, that is the A, FSH and LH production is correct answer for the option number question number 19, that is option number A, FSH and LH production. Low level of the progesterone and estrogen in the blood stimulate. Now the question number 20, name the hormone that has no role in menstruation. Now here the question number 20 has answer TSH, that is thyroid stimulating hormone secreted from the pituitary gland, has no role in menstruation, which is the monthly cycle in the females, which comes after the 28 days. Now the question number 21, parathyroid hormone deficiency causes. Question number 21, option number B, hypocalcemia. Now the question number 22, which hormone facilitates childbirth? This is the oxytocin hormone secreted from the neurohypophysis of the pituitary gland, facilitate childbirth by the contraction of the muscles of the wall of uterus and make easy the childbirth. Now the question number 23, diabetes insipidus is under control of the ADH antidiuretic hormone. Antidiuretic hormone or vasopressin is released from the neurohypophysis or posterior lobe of the pituitary gland, and it controls diabetes insipidus. It is the hormone which controls diabetes insipidus, that is the interval discharge of the urine, and it is just similar to the diabetes mellitus, which is caused due to the insufficient production of the insulin or insufficiency of the insulin. Now the question number 24, which one controls the secretion of the estrogen? Here the question number 24 has option number D, FSH, control the secretion of the estrogen, which is a female hormone secreted from the ovarian follicles in the female ovary. Now the question number 25, endocrine gland responsible for the immunity is. This is the thymus gland, which is responsible for immunity. Now the question number 26, hormone of adrenal cortex are synthesized from. The hormones of adrenal cortex are synthesized from. Question number 26 has option number C, cholesterol. Now the question number 27, norepinephrine is secreted from. It is the hormone secreted from the medulla of the adrenal gland, whereas the three B, C and D options, that is the zona fasciculata, zona reticularis and zona glomerulosa, are the zones of adrenal cortex which secretes corticoid hormones. Now the question number 28, sex hormones can work without. Here the option number 28 will have the answer option number A, insulin. Insulin hormones, sex hormones can work without the support of the insulin. Now the question number 29, Ovulation in mammals occurs under the influence of here the group of the hormone, that is the FSH and LH, that is the option number 29. Option number B for the question number 29 is correct answer. FSH means follicle stimulating hormone and LH means luteinizing hormone, which about which I have discussed, and you have learned about the function of the FSH and LH, the two gonadotrophic hormone of the pituitary gland, that is the secreted from the adenohypophysis part of the pituitary gland. Now, the question number 13, largest amount of iodine is found in thyroid. Thyroid gland secretes a hormone, that is the thyroxine, which is the single and almost only one hormone containing iodine, which is essential for the metabolism. Note the question number 31, first discovered hormone is secretin, which is secreted from the duodenal part of the small intestine, and it contracts the liver to secrete the bile. Now the question number 32, which of following is not a protein hormone? Here the question number 32, option number D is correct answer. Estradiol is not a protein hormone. Now the question number 33, the receptor for the protein hormone is present now. The question number 33 has option number D, cell surface. Now the question number 34, hypersecretion of the aldosterone causes. Now the question number 34 will have the answer, that is the option number D, that is the Addison disease. Hyposecretion of aldosterone causes Addison disease, and Addison disease, as we know, discovered by the Thomas Addison, who is also known as the father of the endocrinology. Now the question number 35, Hassel capsules are found in. Here the option number C is correct answer for the answer, that is the thyroid gland. Now the question number 36, here the option number D, pregnancy, presence of SCG in urine of female confirm the pregnancy. Now the question number 37, pheromones secreted by the apocrine gland. Here the endocrine glands, which secrete their secretions in the blood stream directly, and from which through the blood the hormones are carried to the different organs and tissues, where it performs the various functions, and tissues and cells are known as target cells and target organs. Now the endocrine gland, which secretes their secretions through the duct, that is the pancreas, that is the liver, and mixed gland, that is the gland which is exo and endocrine, and function secretes both enzymes and hormones, as for example. Now the question number 38, which hormone has anti-insulin effect? This is the hormone, that is option number 38, aldosterone, as the hormone that has anti-insulin effect. Now the question number 39, one molecule of insulin contains, insulin is a hormone which contains, option number C is correct answer, 51 amino acid. Now the question number 40, here the option number A is correct answer, which is the largest endocrine gland of the body. Now the question number 41, hormone that decreases calcium level in the blood. And this is the hormone, option number 41, that is the C, that is the thyrocalcitonin. Thyro means thyroid gland, and calcitonin is the hormone which regulates the calcium decrease the calcium level in the blood, that is the thyrocalcitonin. Now the question number 42, which is an example of the secondary messenger. This is the cyclic AMP is exercise secondary messenger. Now the question number 43, compression of the gallbladder in why. Here the question number 43 has the option number B, that is the cholecystokinin. Now the question number 44, the synthesis of vasopressin is done by hypothalamus, which is these two hormones, that is vasopressin or antidiuretic hormone and oxytocins, are synthesized in the hypothalamus and are carried to the neurohypophysis, from which it is secreted and performs the many functions. Now the question number 45, metamorphosis in frog is hastened by, that is the thyroxine hormone secreted from the thyroid gland. Now and you will have to know that the hormone thyroxine is related to the metamorphosis, as I have discussed above, and one of the MCQ type questions. Now the question number 46, thyrotrophin releasing factor TRF is produced by. Here the option number D, that is hypothalamus release many releasing factor for the secretions of the hormones of the adenohypophysis, and one of the releasing factor is thyrotrophin releasing factor from the hypothalamus, which controls and regulates the secretion of the different hormones from the adenohypophysis. Now the question number 47, blood pressure is controlled by the anal gland, which is the gland present just above the top position of the kidney, and two glands present on and one gland on each kidney. Now the question number 48, what condition results from the excess growth of the hormone GH in adults? This causes the excess secretion of the growth hormone causes acromegaly in adults. Now the question number 49, which hormone is responsible for regulating calcium levels in the blood? This is the hormone, that is question number 49 will have the answer option number B, parathyroid hormone PTH. Now the question number 15, which hormone is responsible for promoting water reabsorption in the kidney and increasing the blood pressure? This is the hormone, that is question number 50 has option number A, aldosterone. Now the question number 51, which is the last question of this video, which gland is often referred as the master gland? And all of you know that pituitary gland is known as the master gland or the master of the endocrine orchestra. So now I am going to conclude this video again, and it is the last video of this endocrine system and endocrine gland, and next I will start again the next system, and we will discuss about that system in my next video. Thanks for watching. Good night.